Hello, everybody. Today I am going to read parts of the book Life Cycles by Wendy Conklin. It is a long book, but I selected some of the life cycle that might be of interest to you. If you would like to know more about some other creatures' life cycles included in the book, please let me know. Let's start reading. The Circle of Life. All living things pass through a life cycle. Trees, insects, animals, and even you grow and change. At first, all cycles may seem the same. Living things are born, they grow, reproduce. Reproduce means they make babies and die. But take a closer look and you'll see that each kind of life cycle is a little different. Both butterflies and dogs have life cycles, but they are not the same. A butterfly begins life as an egg that hatches. A dog is born alive from its mother. They grow up in different ways too. Throughout nature, the pattern repeats: grow, change, thrive, reproduce. The same events happen again and again. The end of the cycle leads back to the beginning. A new generation is created. This is the circle of life. Cycles and spans. A life cycle is a set of changes or stages. A lifespan is how long the animal or plant lives. The final stage for all life cycles is death. And here we have the elephants with the baby. And here we have the mommy horse with her foal, the baby horse. Let's see an example of a life cycle. A cycle for every life. Some creatures must travel through just one or two short stages of life before becoming an adult. Others must transform several times. For every creature, the journey leads to a new generation, and the cycle begins again. Mysterious metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means change. What happens inside the cocoon? For hundreds of years, this was a mystery. Now scientists know that caterpillars dissolve. Their muscles and bones break down into a kind of goo. Then they build new bodies. The most amazing part, scientists have proven that moths can remember things that happened when they were caterpillars, before they were goo. Here in these pictures you can see a silkworm cocoon. Cocoons come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some look like candies, others look like twigs or leaves. Some even look like gold. Now let's learn about the life cycle of the moth. Moth magic. As they grow, insects change form. Some think this change is magical, but is a natural process called metamorphosis. So is this change natural or induced? They said it is a natural process, so it's a natural change. Many insects, like moths, have four stages in their life cycle. First, adult moths lay eggs on plants. An egg hatches and a larva is born. A moth larva is called a caterpillar. A caterpillar eats everything it can. Then it finds a safe place to hide, perhaps under a leaf. It wraps itself in a soft shell called a cocoon. This is the pupa stage for a moth. Inside the cocoon, a moth changes. A few weeks later, an adult moth breaks out of the cocoon. A few weeks later, an adult moth breaks out of the cocoon. Once the adult lays eggs, the cycle will repeat. So there are other life cycles that I won't be reading today. Until next time, bye bye.